How to cook in 4 steps. Step 1. All chef needs a good knife, so you want to get yourself a good knife. I got myself this knife for a cheap price of $0, as usual. Thought. Okay, so a simple way to unbox your knives, you just want to take out your knife from the packaging, and then you slowly turn around and just cut open the packaging. Rip it open, pull it out, and that's how you unbox your knife. Also forgot to mention that you need to get a good chopping board. I couldn't find a chopping board, so I got this thing called a cutting mat. Seems really good, so let's move on to step 2. Alright, so step 2, you want to take a brand new knife and cut open your deep fryer that you just bought. I got mine for $0 as well. So you take a knife, you just cut it open. Pretty simple. Make sure you keep it on the chopping mat at all times. You want to assemble your deep fryer as what everybody else would do, just put in the small little handle into the holder, and then we just put in. So I'm not rich or anything, so I had no oil, so this would have to suffice for now. Just take it out and fill up your deep fryer with oil. So now you want to set your deep fryer to around half, and then you just let it do its thing. Just leave it alone, man. Just don't touch it. So now you want to go to your garden, or if you don't have a garden, go to your neighbor's garden, and you want to find cooking ingredients for your dish that your deep fryer is for. Oh, I found this pepper, I think, leaf, and mozzarella cheese. Yeah. So all these ingredients are in its raw form. Now you want to just like hit it, give it a good smack, and it'll get it into its processed form. There's parsley's, I think. Let's get like some pepper. Yeah, got a good pepper. And now we want to get the mozzarella cheese. There you go. Seems pretty good, so I think we head back upstairs now and oh god. Now we want to check what our deep fryers. Oh, our deep fryers give us a good meal. So this is step 4. We want to take our meal that the deep fryer has cooked us and give it a good nice plate and stuff. And now we want to ganache it with this small little leaf that we processed. So we just put it on top and bam, look at that, the meal looks good. So during a meal, you might want to get an iPad just to watch some real cooking tutorials, because you realize this video did not help you one single bit and you want your 2 minutes back. Sorry.